Go.
Hi, I'm Chrissy, and I'm going to tell you about my Kanani. She's in the family, she's my sister. And I'll show you some of her stuff I got her. But actually, these were the actions, but now they're turning out to be her movies. Here's these movies, and then she likes to call people on this phone, but it doesn't work anymore, so she's going to use it. She likes to read this book, but it's my mom's, and my mom gave it to me, and there's pictures in it. And in here, she has her stuff in it, and she has a big breakfast in it. And I'm not going to do everything. Okay. And see this little penguin and mama penguin, and it's a snow globe that I got from Christmas. And it can also shake, and it kind of looks like snow, but it sparkles. And here's the shower. I also like to use in my American Girl box. This is what it looks like.
That's a shower?
Yeah.
Really cool.
And then here's where I fix her hair. And here's her American Girl doll brush. And here's Kanani. She's sitting on her bed. This is also a bucket, but I turned it out to be at her table. And here's the computer, but it doesn't really work anymore. If this you can type on it now. And here is the cupboard with all the food in it. The food is right there in it. So here's the table with my old dog Flexi. And he's now an angel, and he's up in heaven. And here's another statue of him. And this is the flower I made for Flexi. And here's her bed chair. And then it turns. And also, it's a bed right now. And Kanani's on her bed because she likes on her bed. And here's her closet. A headband, some pickle panties, and a dress. This is the Slicko bling. We'll forget about that. And then nothing else in here. And her books, well, all her books, and some of her stuff that I put in here, her little bag my nanny gave me. And okay, what else were I gonna show? Okay, I don't know what else to show. I'm gonna go get a Funko Pop.
Well, thanks. Nice video.
Bye!
Bye.